Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sophony Admin and thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I really appreciate you guys for watching and supporting my channel. It means so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe, honey. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I completed this beautiful holiday makeup look, and I really hope you guys love and enjoy the video. Okay guys, this video was a talk through. It doesn't sound right. I heard noises in the background, so I decided to mute it the whole video. The products I'm going to use will pop on the screen. If you see me talking and smiling, I was talking to you guys. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the comment. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys love it. you guys, this is the final look, and I really hope you guys love and enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and share the video with your friends, family, a person you know who loves makeup. You know, just share it, honey. You allowed to share this video. Spread it out. Spread it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.